Hello viewers, you must have learnt about the pH. What is it? It is the measure of acidity or alkalinity of a solution. As you can see in the pH scale, the acidic solutions have pH less than 7 and basic solutions have pH greater than 7. At pH equals to 7, the solution is neutral, that is the concentration of hydrogen ion and hydroxyl ions present in neutral solutions are equal. We can say that at 298 Kelvin, the pH of water is 7. pH of a solution is the measure of hydrogen ion present in it. pH equals to minus log concentration of H plus ion, where P stands for potenge, in German means power, and the H stands for hydrogen. H plus ion represents the concentration of hydrogen ion in a solution. In any given solution, both hydrogen and hydroxyl ions are present. In acids or acidic solutions, the concentration of hydrogen ions is more than hydroxyl ions, while in bases the concentration of hydroxyl ions is more than hydrogen ions. From the formula, we can see that as the concentration of hydrogen ions or acidity decreases, the pH of a solution increases. In case of bases, as the concentration of hydroxyl ions increases, the pH value increases. The pH value of a solution can be determined by pH paper, universal indicator, pH meter and potentiometer. In the present experiment, we shall determine the pH of some fruit and vegetable juices to find out whether they are acidic or basic. This is important from many perspectives, one of which is the adverse effect of eating too many acidic fruits. Today, we are going to use universal indicator and the pH paper. Universal indicator is a mixture of several organic dyes dissolved in a suitable solvent. It exhibits a color change over a range of pH. You can infer from the pH chart it has different color in different pH environment. At low pH less than 3, it appears red. At high pH 8 to 11, it appears blue, and pH greater than 11, which is exhibited by a strong base, it appears violet or indigo. At pH 7, that is for a neutral solution or pure water, it appears green. Materials required for the experiment are test tubes, beakers, droppers, pH chart, pH paper chart, test tube stand and fresh juice of fruit and vegetables, lemon, orange, pineapple, grapes, apple, carrot and kiwi are taken in different beakers. Now, I will transfer these juices with the help of different droppers in each marked test tubes. Now, I am adding 2 drops of universal indicator. Shake the content of the test tubes thoroughly. Standard pH chart, as you can see, it matches with the pH 2, that is its pH lying between 2 to 3 in case of lemon. Since the expected pH range of lemon juice is from 2 to 3, we cannot determine its pH from universal indicator, whose range is from 4 to 11. Let us try pH paper in this case. As you can see, it shows red color, which is matches with the pH 2 in case of lemon. Let us take test tube number 2 and add orange juice in the test tube. Now, I am adding 2-3 drops of universal indicator and shake the content of the test tubes thoroughly. Now, I will match the color with the standard pH chart. Orange juice has shown dark orange color with universal indicator and pH range is nearly 4, as you can see easily from the pH chart. Let us take test tube number 3 and I am adding pineapple juice in it. Now, I am adding 2-3 drops of universal indicator in it. Now, I will match with the color chart in which pineapple juice has been taken, shows red color. It matches with pH nearly 4. Let us take test tube number 4 and add grape juice in it. Now, I am adding universal indicator, shake it thoroughly. The test tube number 4 in which grape juice has been taken shows crimson orange color with universal indicator and pH range is between 4 to 5. Let us take test tube number 5 and add apple juice in it. Adding 2-3 drops of universal indicator, shake it well. Let us match with the pH chart. The test tube number 5 in which apple juice has been taken shows red color with universal indicator and pH range is nearly 4. Now, I am taking test tube number 6 in which I am adding carrot juice. Now, I am adding universal indicator, mix it thoroughly by shaking. It shows olive green color, matches with the pH nearly 6.5, as you can see easily. Now, I am taking test tube number 7 in which I will take kiwi juice, adding 2-3 drops of universal indicator, shake it well. The test tube number 7 in which kiwi juice has been taken shows olive green color with universal indicator and pH around 6.5 to 7. So, learners, what we have learnt from today's experiment? Yes, you have learnt about pH, pH range and pH measurement, know about universal indicator and its use, and pH range of different fruit juices and vegetable. Precaution and sources of error. Number 1, use fresh fruit juice and vegetable juice for the experiment. Number 2, match the color which develops in the fruits and vegetable juice with the pH chart carefully. Exercise for the learners. Number 1, why fruit juices are avoided when a person is suffering from acidity. Number 2, how will you ascertain the pH of a soft drink. Number 3, on mixing 2 or more fruit juices, would the pH alter or remain the same? Verify your answer experimentally. So, learners, today we have learned how to determine the pH of fruits and vegetable juices using universal indicator. Thank you.